Good morning po sa inyong lahat. It's October 10, 5:21 in the morning. Oh, syempre nakita na ako. Ayan, oh. Oh, di ba? 5 tayo gumising, then nagagawa na natin yung mga dapat natin gawin up before workout. Kasi dati 5:20 ang alarm ko. Usually, 5:45 talaga. So, inaano-ano natin. So, pinaka-ano ko na siguro is 5 o'clock na. So, ayun, ang pinitin natin. Tara na, papayat. Sayang ano. Tanggal natin yung taba dyan. Let's go! Nagsimula tayo ng 5:39. Ayan, may ginawa pa rin kasi. So, okay na rin yan. So, ang pinitin natin. Ito na nga, nagka-treadmill na ako eh. Ikaw? Tulog pa? Gising na. Ayan, so let's go! So, hanggang 40 minutes lang tayo, no? So, sayang kapon, 1 hour. Pero ngayon, 40 minutes lang. So, dapat talaga magawa ko agad ng mabilis yung mga ginagawa ko sa umaga. So, ayun. So, lower abs tayo, saka sa oblique lang. So, tapos na pahinga na dahil may trabaho pa tayo. Ayan. Okay. Ayan, sakto. 40 minutes. So, let's go. Ayan, tinapos na natin. Tara. Grabe yung tulo, oh. Grabe yung tulo, oh. Ngayon na pa to. So, tara. Oblique and lower abs. Tara, oblique. Ginawa natin, no? Yung second rep, yun natin 40-40 na. 40-40 sa kalwa. So, naisip ko kasi kung 15-15 na parang konti lang effect, but yung 40-40, masakit. So, yun. So, lower abs na tayo. Let's go. Lower abs, try natin maka 20. Ayan, let's go. So, 6:26 na. Try natin mag-planking kasi magsi 6:30 na, no? So, ayun. Ang sarap. Let's go. Let's go. Start na. So, ang kailangan na talaga dito, focus lang. Mag-isip ka ng kung ano-ano. Ayan. Pero dapat pala nakano kasi dumudulas yung 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 sound suits ko dumudulas dahil mga pawis sa loob. Pati yung medyas ko. So, challenge to. Grabe ang bigat ng tiyan ko, no? Kaya pa. Ah! Ah! 1 minute and 30 seconds. 30 seconds at nahulog pa. Shit. Ayun, sakto. 6:30. So, magpahinga na tayo, no? See you later sa ating pag-gym. See you again later sa aking paghihirap. Ayan. So yun, tapos na tayo sa trabaho, no? And saglit lang tayo mag-gym ngayon dahil marami nga tayong gagawin. So, busy-busy yan lang. So, ngayon lang naman, no? Pero, shoulder and tricep tayo. Tapusin natin ng 30 minutes lang. So, tara, let's go. So, first exercise, let's go.
opportunity. I don't care what it is that you're trying to achieve, what you're trying to accomplish, what you're trying to give, how you're trying to evolve, what you are looking to become. Everything rises and falls on your perspective. Stop complaining about the jealousy and the envy and the backbiting and the person that gave up on you and the person that wasn't present.
Second, third, hindi na natin i-record para mas mabilis maikli lang yung video. Nagmamadali rin kasi tayo. Yung kakamadali ko, hindi ko na na-record yung first, second rep, baliktad. So, yung third rep, i-record natin. So, ayan.
Tony Robinson can't keep up. He's a phenomenal speaker, but he ain't from the shy. He can't keep up. My motor. I'm killing him. Many of you listening to me right now, you have unfinished business. And you need to go back to that dream, back to that idea. You have a date with destiny. You have unfinished business. It's time for you to go back to the drawing board with a new perspective. It's your viewpoint. And watch this. Your perspective actually shapes your language, and your language shapes your world. And so if you don't start thinking right, you're not going to talk right. And if you're not talking right, you're not going to experience the world that you see in your head. I don't know who God has called you to become, but what I can tell you is if you keep seeing it the way you have seen it, you
Sarap!
Is that happy spot? No. What gave me confidence was spending years at a kitchen table trying to learn how to read and write on my own. Realizing I can't learn the way you learn. I can't. But I can learn. What gives you confidence, not being afraid, is overcoming the fear. That's what gives me confidence, is facing these things, overcoming them. And maybe not overcoming them every day, but facing them. And facing them and facing them. Pretty soon like this, you know what, man, this is where it's at. It's not in that comfort zone. It's in the discomfort zone is where my confidence is getting built. That's where it's getting built. Happiness, peace.
Grabe, ang sarap. Let's go, tricep.
Rocky 1, round 14. That 2 minute and 13-second clip of Rocky getting up when Apollo knocked him down. That one clip, when I was going through a very bad time in my life, I saw what I wanted to be. And it wasn't a guy that won. It wasn't a guy that won everything he did. It was a guy that kept getting up after being knocked down. So I realized if that 2 minutes and 13 seconds changed my life, that's all it was. I saw something that I needed to be in the world I was living in.
Sarap. Hanggang second exercise na tayo kasi magsasabi na. Second exercise na tayo sa tricep. Let's go.
When I was working with my professional athletes, it required me to do a lot of traveling. And this story gets me every time. So when people say it didn't hurt, it still hurts. I was packing for a trip. My daughter walks into her room. She says, "Dad, why do you travel so much?"
Sarap. So yun. So tapos na tayo. Tapos na tayo. Ganun lang kadali. Ayan. Pop up natin pati yung shoulder natin. No? May bilog na. So, ayan. Sakto. 1 minute before 7. Tapos na tayo dahil busy. Malalaman nyo kung bakit. So, ayun lang. Thank you.